Kelley School of Business offers a wide variety of successful business majors. However, accounting is the best one. This presentation will explain accounting in 3 different categories: defining accounting including areas of study and job opportunities, life as an accountant, and finally to explain why accounting is the best major at IU. Today's accountant is a key member of the management team for all private, public, nonprofit, and governmental organizations. Accounting is the language of business, since all business people use it to communicate. Accounting is generally defined as the process of keeping track of a business's finances by logging its accounts payable, accounts receivable, and other financial transactions. Getting an accounting undergraduate degree from Kelley School of Business, you will need to take the following 10 courses: Basic Accounting Skills, Introduction to Financial Accounting, Introduction to Managerial Accounting, Intermediate Financial Accounting 1 and 2, Cost Accounting, Taxes and Decision Making, Accounting Information Systems, Communication for Accountants, and Auditing and Assurance Services. Total 26 credits plus 3 hours of elective coursework. If you are confused, don't worry. We will explain those in the next few minutes.
There are 4 different types of accountant work, which are in public accounting firms, government, corporations, and solo firms. Public accountants are the most popular firms in accounting as they provide services to all, such as individuals, corporations, and governments that don't handle their own accountants themselves. Government accountants may work at the local, state, or federal level and typically handle budgets and analyze governmental programs. Some corporations may decide to handle their own accountants internally and would hire their own accountants rather than contract a public accounting firm to handle their account. Lastly, some accountants choose to work on their own and create their own accounting business, which involves handling all aspects of accounting on their own. This is generally a risky approach, but can pay off financially if successful. Individually, someone with an accounting major may become an auditor, budget analyst, financial accountant, or even a tax accountant. An auditor is generally the most popular and in-demand accounting job. They generally check account ledgers and financial statements to analyze how a company or the government is making their money. A budget analyst develops and manages financial plans of the company they are working with and generally requires a good deal of people skills. A financial accountant is an option for those who also study finance. Generally, these accountants will prepare financial statements for companies and will help them make financial decisions. A tax accountant is another route that requires further studies, as they must understand tax codes and economics. Tax accountants develop public and personal income tax statements, as well as handling business acquisitions and mergers.
There are many reasons as to why accounting is the best major at IU, and a lot of it has to do with the opportunities that come with this major once you are out of college. The median pay for an accountant is $61,690 per year, which is $29 per hour. And the number of accountants in the world is at about 1.2 million, which is expected to grow at 16% over the next 10 years. The entry-level education for an accountant is a bachelor's degree, but the accountants that file reports with the Securities Exchange Commission must be a CPA, Certified Professional Accountant. Becoming a CPA requires passing a state test as well as meeting other state requirements, and once an accountant is a CPA, they have the opportunity to earn more money.
Life as an accountant is not what everyone typically makes it out to be. The general stereotype of an accountant is that they spend countless hours in a cubicle crunching numbers, but in reality, an accountant spends more time out of an office rather than in the office, and even involves a great deal of collaborating what they find with a team. Typically, an accountant visits the party they are working with to collect the information they need, and only end up using their office to individually finish their task and collaborate with their team to finalize the report what they're working on at the end. As this may sound monotonous, an accountant finds him or herself working on many projects at a time, providing them with excitement, variety, and exposure to many different types of businesses, opening many new doors to careers other than just accounting.
There are 3 different paths you can take with accounting in the Kelley School of Business: undergraduates, graduates, and doctorates. All of these offer degrees that have been ranked nationally. According to the Bloomberg and U.S. News, accounting in the Kelley School of Business is the 8th best in the country. Accounting graduates from IU are hired from hundreds of top employers, including Deloitte, Ernst & Young, KPMG, and PricewaterhouseCoopers. First, we will talk about the prestigious undergraduate program. This program prepares students for careers in auditing, corporate accounting, management consulting, taxations, governmental, and non-for-profit organization. The curriculum also helps students interested in pursuing graduate work in business, law, or public administration. The Bachelor of Science in Business accounting major is second to none at IU. Over 90% of new graduates are hired every year by employers and are paid above the average starting accounting salary. A special degree that propels accounting over other majors in Kelley is the 3.5 MBA opportunity. This program allows you to earn your BS and MBA degrees in just 5 years. Ultimately, you'll spend one less year in school than you would in a traditional MBA program. You save money, time, and it makes you more competitive in the job market. The graduates program offers 3 degrees: Master of Business Administration, which is the MBA, with an accounting major or minor, an MBA in accounting, and a Master of Science in Accounting, the MSA. According to the Public Accounting Report, IU's graduate accounting programs have consistently ranked in the top 10. Lastly, IU's accounting program offers a doctorate's degree. It takes about 5 years to complete, and you get to work side by side with other experienced teachers and accomplished researchers. Many different respected universities have employed recent graduates, such as Cornell University, Georgetown University, Harvard University, New York University, and the University of Washington. Overall, the Kelley School of Business offers many prestigious majors, but accounting stands out because of the endless opportunities and substantial upsides.
Though there are many careers and majors available with Kelley School of Business, accounting is the best one, just because not only does accounting offer good pay, it also has many career paths available, and it's also an exciting job.